Hey creators, welcome back to another video with the Alaska STEAM Hub. My name is Isabel and today we're going to be going over what you'll be receiving this month in our STEAM kit. This month we are going to be creating our own earring designs. As we design, we are keeping in mind the Kanik tribe traditional value of sharing. It is in giving that we become rich, so we encourage you to create a gift for someone you care about while you design. We've provided 2 materials that you can choose from when creating your earrings. Inside your box will be wood for your earring designs, a couple sheets of acrylic, some jump rings and earring hooks, and a pair of needle nose pliers for assembly. When it comes to designing your earrings, there are a couple routes you can take. You can either sketch your design in your notebook, then upload it into the Glowforge website under Trace a Design, or you can create your design on Tinkercad, save it as an SVG file, and then upload it onto the Glowforge website that way. When you are creating your design in Tinkercad, make sure that it is directly on the work plane and not hovering above it. This will ensure that Glowforge on their end will see the design. And that's everything. We want to see your designs, so make sure to leave a comment below. And if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Janan, thank you for joining me in today's video, and as always, keep creating.